saan ba ako?
Huwag mo hagsayan.
Hindi ko alam saan ako. May adlaw kaninyong tanan sa tanang mga Dabawenyo. Daghang salamat sa inyong suporta, and I hope you support me all the way, no matter what decisions or yung plans ko ahead. So thank you so much. Kita-kita tayo soon. Bye-bye.
Ikaw, Angelica, you're from where?
I'm from Puerto Galera, Oriental, Mindoro.
Wow.
Yeah, I miss the beach. Parang gusto ko ma-experience ng summer. Sabi ko pa, after the pageant, I'm gonna get a tan. I'm gonna get my hair dyed. Sabi ko, kailangan summer ang peg ko. Biglang, hindi yata impossible.
So maganda na Puerto Galera, di ba itong araw tatawag na yung poor man's Boracay?
Yeah.
Oo, pero hindi na ngayon, di ba?
Hindi na.
Napakaganda kayo ng Puerto Galera. I've been there before.
Question. Nakita namin ka napansin namin na yung bawat binibini natin, yung mga kanya-kanyang advocacy.
Yes.
Ano yung, sa inyo, ano yung gusto nyo i-advocate na share? So, ano naman i-share nyo sa amin?
Ay, baka iiyak kayo siya.
Okay, sige, go.
Yung pangalawa is yung HIV/AIDS, which also important by Kuya Person. Yung pangatlo is disposed by cancer. Just recently, last year, kaya I advocate healthy lifestyle and good living. So, kaya yung naging part of that base na sa mga and I advocate sports kasi I want them to be disciplined habang bata pa, at saka gusto ko maging active yung lifestyle nila. Kaya yun.
Ako naman po, sa HIV, kasi para sa akin po, we all need to know, we all have a right to know na kung HIV positive ba tayo o hindi. Kasi pag mas aware tayo, mas maaga pa natin na makahawa tayo sa iba, gano'n. At saka sa education din, para not everyone has the chance to go to school, and everyone deserves to.
Because I'm a mom and I have I have two daughters who, after watching the Binibining Pilipinas, they wanted to also be a beauty queen. So what's your message to those kids who also wanted to be like you someday?
Sa akin, to all the kids who want to be like us, keep on dreaming and keep on working for that dream, because nothing is impossible, and if you work hard for it, you'll reach it. We were once there din kasi, so we know how it feels like.
Ako rin, I've been a dreamer. Nung bata ako, sabi ko, 5 years from now, nandiyan ako sa TV. Tinitingnan ko yung mga nagpapasyal, pero hindi ko naman minimin. I mean, hindi ko na-envision na magiging totoo yun. But when you try to see, kasabi nga ni Pia, a dream is a picture of possibility. So, pwedeng mangyari. Kaya yun, you work hard for it. Pero as advice, gusto ko i-prioritize mo na yung pag-aaral as much as possible. Kasi iba yung may natapos ka eh. At saka iba yung opportunities na mabibigay sa'yo. Sumali ka man, natalo ka man, nanalo ka man, as long as you already have your education with you. So yun, keep working on it. Thank you.
So because of what she has achieved, you look up to Pia as an inspiration.
Yes, of course, she is.
She is an inspiration.
So,
She's one of us.
kasi you can feel her sincerity as a person.
And I don't feel like she has changed at all. Parang she's just wearing the crown and the sash. Pero
Same person.
yung character niya, it's still the beautiful Pia.
Actually, I see the Pia in both of you. Why? Kasi like Pia was like you in the first year, she was a runner-up. So sinabi niya di ba sa press con like sama-sama sa mga candidates na ganyan. So like for example, do you have any plans to run for next year?
There's a possibility.
Okay, so
To be part again or to be part once more of Binibining Pilipinas candidates. Pero yun nga, if we decided to be back, gusto namin maganda yung comeback namin. So we have to really prepare for it. So hindi yun siya basta-basta ka na lang babalik because hindi. Kasi every year mas malaki, mas mabigat yung contenders, mas magaganda, mas matatangkad, and you really have to be on the top then. Kasi as expected, naging runner-up pa this year. Tapos kung sasali ka, people will be rooting for you.
Okay. So as of now, you're still not decided.
Depende eh. Pwede yun, hindi pa. Pero parang at the back of my mind, pwede, maaari mangyari.
Okay. How about
Sa
you?
akin naman, I still have a year ahead.
Okay.
So, I still have a year to think about it.
Okay.
I'm really open to joining again. Pero, like what she said, dapat super ready na kami.
Okay.
You're both young pa naman, no? Malayo pa kayo sa
Yes,
age
I'm
limit,
only
diba?
20.
But you're turning 21 on
August.
And I just turned 21 last
Okay.
April too. So yun. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay. Thank you. Hello, girls.
Hi.
Yeah. Earlier I said na I saw the Pias in you because sa Pia, yung first year na sumali siya, she's actually a runner-up. So same situation kayo ngayon. Right? Yeah. So that's why the first question was whether you are decided to join or not to join. So you said undecided, right? So let's say hypothetical question. Like if you decided to join for the second year and you lose, will you join for the third year?
Possible.
As long as,
Pero feeling ko ma-hurt ako sa start.
kaya nga,
Tapos, that would be so painful. Pero I think, feeling ko mag-join ako.
Okay.
Kasi,
Because of...
Kasi feeling, sabi mo nga, di ba,
Yeah.
parang you see the Pia in us.
Yeah.
Oo.
So maybe that's
as long as
why.
I know, qualified pa rin kami. Why not?
Okay. So, di ba si Pia actually, after she lost na yung second year, I interviewed her. She didn't want to join anymore for the third year. But good, she changed her mind.
Yes.
And she joined again, yeah.
Kasi
Had a better
dadaan
plan
tayo sa
for
stage
her.
na sobrang baba talaga ng motivation level natin. So, nagde-decide tayo ng biglaan. Kaya yun, it's a possibility na magde-decide kami na hindi na. Tapos biglang gusto.
Yeah. And remember MJ,
Oh, MJ joined 3 times.
3 times before she won as well, right? Yeah. So it's just a sort of I'm just trying to motivate you girls also na don't give up. Yeah.
Thank you.
See what happened to
so
Pia,
much.
what happened to MJ.
There was a reason behind
Yeah,
it.
as you say, keep dreaming,
Yeah.
keep hoping, and good luck.
Thank you.
Thanks, girls.